This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the bonnet safety latch in the direction of the arrow, then raise the bonnet upwards. Jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. To remove the drive belts, remove the undershield from under the engine compartment if fitted. If the drive belts are to be reused, mark them for clockwise direction to ensure they are refitted the same way round. Before removing the drive belts, note how each belt is routed to ensure proper refitting. On models with air conditioning, loosen the pivot and tension bolts. And move the tensioner roller upwards to release the tension on the drive belt. Slip the drive belt from the crankshaft, compressor and tensioner pulleys. To remove the main drive belt, move the tensioner clockwise using a spanner on the flats to release the tension. Hold the tensioner in this position, then slip the drive belt off the alternator pulley and slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the crankshaft, alternator, viscous fan and power steering pump pulleys and manoeuvre it from the engine. Locate the main drive belt loosely on the pulleys, routing it the same way as noted before removal. Using a spanner, rotate the tensioner clockwise to allow the drive belt to be slipped onto the alternator pulley, then slowly release the tensioner. Make sure that the belt is correctly located in all the pulley grooves. On models with air conditioning, locate the drive belt on the compressor and crankshaft pulleys, making sure that it is correctly located in all the pulley grooves. Move the tensioner pulley downwards and engage the drive belt with the pulley grooves. Tension the drive belt by applying a torque of 30 Nm to the hexagon on the tensioner body. Hold this torque, then tighten the adjustment and pivot bolts. Refit the engine undershield where fitted and lower the vehicle to the ground. Start the engine and check for proper operation of the belts before placing the vehicle into normal service.